Come test drive the 2017 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Experience the perfect harmony with comfort,